Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I am Diana, Application Engineer at Reliant Design Solutions. We meet again in an AutoCAD tutorial video. Topic selected for today is drawing parallel lines. How do you guys normally creating parallel lines? By using the copy command or by using offset command? Actually, inside the AutoCAD, there is a specific command to do this action, which named as Mline or multi-line. This command is quite old, but I believe many of us still unfamiliar with it. I will be showing you guys on how to draw the parallel lines using Mline command, including to set up its style and modify them. So let's begin. I will start with an empty drawing file, this one. Usually, I will use offset command in order to create parallel lines or like I want to draw one room with one layer of wall. I'm using 1000 mm and 800 mm for the rectangle dimensions. And offsets the object with 20 mm of distance. While with Mline command, we just need to type in the command and click on it. But before that, take a look at the list of commands here. We have MLEDIT for editing multi-lines and also MLSTYLE, where we are able to change the setting of them as I mentioned before. Continue on the drawing. Click on Mline command and click for the starting point. Enter the same values as previous object. To join the line together, this is where the MLEDIT comes in handy. At MLEDIT dialog box, there are many types of modifications we can choose for our parallel lines. There are cross, T, join, vertex, and other options too. So for our case, let's pick corner join and select these two lines. As simple as that. For quick confirmation, let me just show you the distance or the dimension of both inner box. Both showing the same dimensions. Now I want to create 4 parallel lines. If I do it using offset command, then I need extra steps like this. Let's see how I do it using the Mline. Enter MLSTYLE and create new style. I'm having standard and style 1 right here, so I'm deciding to create a new one and give a name as style 2. At this dialog box, we are allowed to add a description, choose the color of the line, and also adding the quantities of it. I will add 2 more lines with each line offset 1 mm from each other. Inside this style dialog box, we are also provided with display join option where we can see slanted line each time we do the corner, and we also can use a different line type. Click OK. I just draw a random path here and let me measure the distance. The distance of each line showing 20 mm. Why do you think it's showing 20 mm? It is because of the AutoCAD default scale of Mline. The current scale is 20, so that is why the gap is 20 mm. Nothing to worry about this. The scale can always be changed anytime if we want. Let's draw another parallel lines with different color of setup. I'm modifying the line and fills color of style 1. Type in ML and start draw it immediately. The red color field acts as one entity with the lines, not like a normal hash or fill we normally do. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for our improvement in the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum.